So now I'm going to remove the bulkhead, the dividing wall between the cabin and the back of the van, and also the double seat. I'm going to take that off and replace that with a single seat. But it's going to be a slow process, so I'll put you on time lapse. It's a bit easier to watch. Vasta yhdestä kiinni vetän tätä vähän pois. Onko se irti? Miksi se menee?
Se on vaan jostain
Nyt on tää pois täältä.
Kato, siihen kävi kovasti. Mikä sieltä tippui vielä joku?
Se on ehkä yksi suupi tän
Liikuttaa
I think they're cooking with gas.
No niin.
Tänne päin.
Se täytyy melkein sieltä.
Very heavy.
Se täytyy melkein sieltä päin. It is heavy.
So I've taken the box, the seat and the box off this side. The wall is gone, as you saw in the video. Just sweeping off the dust. There's quite a bit of dirt that come from here. This is all inside the van. And there's still a lot more to go. I'm gonna give it a wash, but I'm gonna just sweep that side as well. It's a bit more behind there. I can reach from this side, so I'll see if we can get that from the other side. Clean it all up, then put the box and seat on this side. It's there, there's the box and the seat back there. And then put the floor coverings in. I got not new floor coverings, but floor coverings that will cover the middle bit where they, just like there where there's, it's going to be open to the back. There will be no floor covering there. So I got them to send me the floor covering for that as well. So looking forward to getting all that done. So I've taken off the double seat and the double seat base and clean up. This is really dirty. I'll clean it up. There's a bit of rust here. I sanded the rust off, wire brushed it, and painted it. And same with the base for the new seat, the single base. There are few spots of rust here and there, just surface rust. So I took all that off, and it should be okay now. It shouldn't. There should be no rust to spread anywhere. It should be nice and clean. So this car evidently had a single seat originally, because the floor covering was cut to accommodate the double seat, and the marks on the floor here are from a single seat. So the double seat just had a few extra holes in the floor that I'll have to cover.